And a most pleasant, happy, good Tuesday to each and every one. I'm Jewel for J7409 Weather. So happy and thankful that you chose our weather site to check out the weather in general today to know what's going on. If you're into the weather, you want to know what's happening so far as weather in general, right down to tropical weather, any kind of weather, watches and warnings, please click subscribe, then click my bell to ensure you get all the latest information concerning the weather. I'd appreciate it a lot. We got a check here of the NAM map today. Let's just turn it on right quick, let it roll, and let me tell you what's happening. Well, we got threats for severe thunderstorms and flash flooding. That's going to focus from the upper Midwest westward into portions of the Great Plains through tomorrow. And then east of the Rockies, it's going to be unseasonably warm, while parts of the western U.S. is going to stay below normal. We got lots and lots of things to discuss here. I do want to say that this NAM map takes you through the next 2.5 days as to what you can expect. Now, showers and thunderstorms across the upper Great Lakes this morning is going to continue into today, right on through today, while these associated low pressure system that's with it tracks through your region. Now, behind this, the attendant cold front is forecast to stall across the north central plains today. Now, that should provide a focus for heavy to excessive rainfall and severe thunderstorms today into tomorrow. And I'm going to show you, we've got some severe weather coming up for a lot of people today. Now, by tomorrow, a more gradual, organized low pressure system should develop across the central plains. Now, this will have widespread showers and storms, likely near and to the north. More heavy to excessive rainfalls possible from the northern central plains to the upper Midwest tomorrow into Thursday. Now, the western end of the cold front, it should move through the Great Basin the next couple of days, keeping unsettled weather in place. To the north of the front, temperatures could be below to well below normal, and the greatest anomalies are expected for tomorrow across the northern Rockies, where daytime highs could be 10 to 20 degrees below normal, and the possibilities of snow showers in the highest elevations, especially in the overnight to early morning hours. Now, meanwhile, we got this ongoing heat across the south. It's going to continue spreading north and east into the Midwest and Northeast. Expect high temperatures generally from the mid-80s to mid-90s across a large portion of the central and midwestern states into the east by tomorrow. That's the weather in general. Let's check out now for severe weather today, and we have some. Now, here we have a look at the categorical outlook for today. You can see right up in this area, we got some stuff happening, and it's thunderstorm activity, severe thunderstorm activity with wind gusts and large hail, and there's that possibility maybe some tornadoes are going to pop out of this. It's all possible across parts of Nebraska, South Dakota, and east central Wyoming. And it should start late this afternoon, go through the evening. And some of the hail's going to be, or it could be, I should say, very large. And you're going to have some very bad wind gusts, that downdraft wind. Now, looking at the tornado possibility from Wyoming and from South Dakota and Nebraska, you can see it's up to a 5% chance, and the wind in this particular area is all the way up to 30, very severe wind in southern South Dakota and northern Nebraska, with a 15% chance going over into Wyoming and a little into Ohio and just one little corner of Minnesota. So far as the hail goes, right in this area, from eastern Wyoming, parts of southern South Dakota, and northern Nebraska, it's a 15% chance. And that's a check of the weather that you need to know today with Jewel and J7409 Weather. I appreciate you checking in with me a whole lot, folks. I do my best to bring you what actually, in my heart, I think it's going to happen to most of you and all of us across the lower 48 as far as the weather goes and with tropical storm activity. Thanks for everything you do for me. I love each and every one of you. Have a good day, a safe day, and a blessed day. And peace, love, and kindness to each of you. Thanks for watching.